There's nothing worse than waking up, stepping into the shower, and getting hit by a sad, sputtering trickle of water. Trust me, I spent months dealing with a cheap showerhead that literally ruined my mornings, and buying the ROM replacement only made it worse. Finding a showerhead that actually delivers both luxury and pressure is a total nightmare. That's why I finally tested the best Kohler showerheads on the market. Today, I'll show you exactly which ones are worth your money, and you won't believe the insane upgrade my number one pick delivered. Pause. Let's dive in. 5. Kohler 22170 CP Purist. When I first pulled this out of the box, I was struck by its minimalist design. The polished chrome finish is undeniably beautiful, catching the light perfectly and making the setup look premium. I installed it to test daily use, and while it looks the part, the actual showering experience left a bit to be desired. The Purist features 3 distinct spray functions switched via a thumb tab. In theory, this gives you options between wide coverage, massage, and utility sprays. However, during my testing, I found the transition slightly clunky. Furthermore, while the wide coverage is decent, the massage setting feels noticeably underpowered. If you need deep muscle relief, you will find this severely lacking. Pause. It just doesn't have that punch. Another aspect that frustrated me was the extensive upkeep. That gorgeous polished chrome is an absolute magnet for hard water stains and fingerprints. I found myself wiping it down constantly. While the Master Clean spray face helps with mineral buildup on the nozzles, the metal housing requires too much daily maintenance. Ultimately, the Purist is an okay option if your primary concern is interior design. It functions adequately for a basic shower, but the performance quirks are hard to ignore. The restricted feel of the water flow and constant cleaning make it difficult to place higher. It heavily prioritizes form over function. 4. Kohler 33631 YBL. I was incredibly excited to test this one because a built-in filter is fantastic for harsh municipal water. The promise of healthier hair and skin is a massive selling point. The matte black finish is stunning right out of the box, giving off a bold, contemporary vibe. Installation was a total breeze, hooking up in under 5 minutes. The filtration system is undoubtedly the star here. It uses a replaceable cartridge designed to reduce chlorine, and I genuinely noticed a difference. The water felt softer, and the harsh chemical smell vanished. However, integrating a filter directly into the housing comes with a physical trade-off. This unit is undeniably bulky, protruding quite a bit further from the wall than standard heads. Pause. It just looks a bit awkward once installed. When it comes to water delivery, the single-function spray pattern provides consistent coverage. But because the water pushes through that dense filter, I noticed a distinct drop in overall water pressure. It isn't terrible, but if you prefer a high-pressure blasting shower, this model feels noticeably weak. The flow feels somewhat restricted. While the skin and hair benefits are highly appreciated, the compromises in design and pressure hold it back. If combating chlorinated water is your absolute priority, this is a solid choice. But if you want a powerful experience without the bulky aesthetic, keep looking. 3. Kohler Awaken Rainhead Showerhead. Now we're getting into the really good stuff. From the moment I swapped this into my main bathroom, the showering experience shifted into a genuine luxury. The Awaken series perfectly mimics the feeling of warm summer rain. I opted for the dark finish, which adds rich warmth to the decor. It feels incredibly solid, clearly reflecting Kohler's reputation for high-quality manufacturing. The single-function design does exactly what it is supposed to do perfectly. The large spray face provides exceptional, edge-to-edge coverage that completely envelops you. Unlike previous models, the water pressure here feels fully optimized. It manages to deliver a full, drenching flow without ever feeling harsh or needle-like against your skin. It is purely relaxing and washes away stress. I truly love the specialized nozzle design on the Awaken Rainhead. The nozzles are meticulously angled to create a dense, perfectly even pattern of water droplets. It genuinely feels like standing outside in a heavy downpour. I found myself spending way more time in the shower, just enjoying the immersive, soothing feeling. It's also incredibly quiet. Maintenance on this unit has been an absolute breeze. The Master Clean spray face resists mineral buildup beautifully. A quick wipe keeps the water flowing straight. For anyone looking to upgrade to a spa-like rain shower experience without overcomplicating things, the Awaken is an absolutely brilliant choice. Two, Kohler K28682G-2MB. When I started testing this model, I realized it was built for people who want maximum flexibility without sacrificing performance. The modern brass finish is a total showstopper. It has a sophisticated gleam that completely hides water spots. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a robust joint that lets you effortlessly adjust the spray angle exactly to your liking. What truly sets this showerhead apart is the brilliant two-function design. It seamlessly combines a wide, drenching rain spray with a highly powerful targeted massage stream. Switching between the two is incredibly smooth and intuitive, using a nicely integrated toggle. I found myself starting with the wide coverage to get soaked, then switching to the targeted spray to rinse shampoo fast. It's simply the best of both worlds. The water delivery on this model is nothing short of phenomenal. Kohler uses an internal engine that perfectly amplifies pressure. On the wide setting, the droplets are large and retain heat, eliminating that chilly draft feeling. When you switch to the concentrated setting, the pressure is deeply satisfying and easily strong enough to rinse thick hair efficiently. I have been using this consistently, and it hasn't skipped a beat. The nozzles remain clear, and the brass finish looks flawless. Highly adaptable showering experience that caters to whatever mood you are in, handling it all flawlessly. One, Kohler 26290BN Statement. Listen closely, because I have tested dozens of fixtures, and this one genuinely blew me away. The Statement collection is Kohler's absolute top tier. I tested the vibrant brushed nickel version, and it is a masterclass in elegant, understated design. It feels incredibly substantial, crafted from premium materials guaranteeing longevity. This isn't just a showerhead, it is a major lifestyle upgrade. The performance is where the Statement truly earns its top ranking. It features Kohler's legendary Catalyst air induction technology. The showerhead actively pulls air into the water stream, creating massive, plump droplets that explode with warmth upon contact. The feeling is indescribably luxurious. You feel completely saturated in a heavy blanket of warm water. This will absolutely ruin standard showerheads for you. It doesn't stop at one amazing spray either. The Statement offers 3 expertly engineered functions. You get the incredible full-coverage Catalyst spray, a deeply soothing soak spray, and a pulsating massage setting that genuinely targets deep muscle aches. The transition between these modes is flawless. The mechanism clicks into place with satisfying, tactile feedback that screams premium engineering. After extensive testing, I confidently say the Kohler Statement represents the pinnacle of showering technology. It has incredible pressure, perfect proportions, and maintains its gorgeous finish effortlessly. If you want the absolute best, most luxurious shower experience available right now, this is the undeniable champion.